Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Pepperstone account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before you close your account, ensure you have no active positions and have withdraw all available balances. Funds can be withdrawn via your account portal, so just go to my account, funds, and then withdraw any funds that's in there. Then simply confirm the withdrawal through the email link. Now, Pepperstone does make it quite difficult to delete your account, so what we need to do is contact their customer support or live chat. But I found the best way to delete your account is just open up your Gmail or email client and then email them directly. So I'm inside Gmail, I'm going to compose a new email, click on to support@pepperstone.com, put subject is going to be delete account, and then from here, and now just put in something like please close all my trading accounts and delete my Pepperstone profile. Put in your name, your email address, phone number, and any other information they need to verify that it's you, and then they'll go ahead and delete your account. Now, if you don't want to email, you can call them as well. So the local line is this number or international. And Pepperstone's customer support is available 24 hours on weekdays and 18 hours on weekends. And also be aware of data retention. So due to legal regulations, Pepperstone may retain certain personal or trading data even after account closure. So just keep that in mind as well. Now, the closure to complete your deletion of your account takes around 3 to 10 business days. Once deleted, the action is irreversible. You need to open a new account if you wish to return to the platform.